Hello guys, good morning. What's a beautiful day. Guys, nandito pala kami ngayon sa Arkansas, where is dito kami magmo-move hopefully by next year. As you can see, it's a big space for us. It's like a province. Yeah, actually it's a province. Guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kalaki, kalawak. Although it's very quiet, but at least if we move here, we have peace of mind. Ayan guys, ayan pala ang nilalakad ko papunta dito sa aming bahay. Kasi ang bahay namin is likod. So, ayan guys. Nakita nyo naman guys, ayun yung neighbor namin sa kabilang side. We have water behind us. Oh guys, nagtataka siguro kayo kung bakit ganito ang itsura, kasi hindi pa kami dito nakatira, so para siyang binagyo. Kaya every month nagbi-visit kami is to see what happened, kung ano na ang nangyayari sa aming property here. So ayan ang aming house. Ayan guys, okay naman dito, para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. Ayan guys, nilalakad ko hanggang sa gate. Ayan ko guys, sobrang tahimik dito. Pala guys, kaya kami mag-move dito is because ang cost of living dito ay mas mura. Property tax mas mura siya kaysa sa Florida. Guys, sobrang hangin dito, fresh air. As you can see how big it is, at mura lang ang mga house dito guys. Pero we are only just 15 minutes from the city, so okay pa din. Hindi naman tayo sa city. 15 minutes. Not bad. nakaka-fresh lang guys here. Ang fresh air. See? Narinig nyo ang huni ng mga ibon. Ito na guys. Nalakad ko na ang aming gate. So, ganyan kalayo. Yan lang guys. Hope you subscribe in my channel.